Hey, Chris here with TurnPro Home Buyers, your local We Buy Houses company in the Charleston area. I just want to give you an update on a property over here in Summerville in a neighborhood called Tramway that we have under contract to purchase, hopefully within the next month or so. Long story short, this family contacted us a while back. There had been a death in the family and they thought they could kind of take on this property as a second home, but it had just been backed up and needed a ton of work beyond just some minor things to get it on the market. So they reached out to us. We came out, walked through the property, met with them, explained what we do, how the process works, and we came to an agreement on price. We gave them a cash as is offer, an offer where we cover all the closing costs and all the fees, and just shoot to really make the process as easy as possible. With it being in probate, we kind of hooked them up with a great probate team that has partnered with them along the way. And we actually found out the probate issue was a lot deeper than we expected. So it's going on almost a year and a half to 2 years since we've had it under contract. We're excited, and they're excited to finally be able to close here soon, hopefully within the next month. Another thing that made this property interesting was that over time, owning a second property with a mortgage on it became kind of cumbersome for the family. So they got behind on payments, and now this property has entered into the pre-foreclosure stage. So we are going to be able to, help them with the probate issue, help them, dodge that foreclosure on their name, and just kind of create a win-win solution for everybody involved. We'll get a crew in here, get the house fixed up, and eventually get a nice family in here to kind of live in this neighborhood as they like. And but at the end of the day, we're shooting to make win-win solutions for everybody involved. So if you have any questions about pre-foreclosure or probate or what that process looks like or anything, whatever it may be, feel free to reach out to us online or give us a call. Have a good day.